In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in Constant Contact. This is an essential skill to master, whether you're creating an email campaign or designing an online newsletter. Properly sized images not only draw attention, but also ensure your content is professionally presented. So, let's dive in and find out just how easy this can be. First, you need to locate the image you want to resize. To do this, simply place your cursor over the image. Don't worry if it's part of a template or standalone. The resizing process is the same. As you run your cursor over the image, pay attention to the lower right-hand corner. You'll notice some arrows appear, indicating you can adjust the size. Now, this is where the magic starts to happen. With your mouse or trackpad, click on those arrows. You'll need to hold down the button as you do this. This action will let you engage the resizing feature, essentially giving you control over how large or small you want your image to be. To enlarge the image, click and drag the corner outwards. You'll see the image growing in size as you drag. This is useful for when you have high-resolution images or wish to emphasize them within your content. Larger images can have more visual impact and may help convey your message better. On the other hand, if you want to make your image smaller, the process is just the opposite. Click and drag the corner inward. This reduces the image size. Downsizing can be handy when you need to fit an image in a specific space or when the visual element is secondary to the text content. Remember, resizing an image too much in either direction can affect its quality and how well it integrates with your overall design, so it's always beneficial to consider the purpose behind the resizing. Now that you know how to resize images, there's one more crucial tip to keep in mind. Always preview your content. After adjusting your image, take a moment to review how it looks within the overall design of your email or newsletter. You want to ensure everything is balanced and visually appealing. This quick check can save you from sending out content that might not look as intended. And that's it. Resizing images in Constant Contact is really as simple as placing your cursor, clicking, and dragging. With just a few clicks, you can enhance your email campaigns and make sure your visual content looks just right. Practice these steps anytime you're working in Constant Contact, and soon, resizing images will be second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Have fun creating.